This is a high-speed, fully automatic lug crimping machine with ferrule marking insertion. It can auto-complete the processing of the entire wiring harness without any manual participation. It can select cable nozzles and process different diameters or different colors at the same time. Supports up to 15 different cables. Then cut cables according to the setting length. Here is the core part of this device, which can automatically insert the ferrules into the cable by laser marking. It can simultaneously insert both ends and print different marking. The next steps are the automatic process of stripping and lug crimping. This machine can be customized according to requirements, and its segmented design can also adapt it to different industries and add different functions.
这种是没，他们这个是刚刚没开那个热风枪，没开那个热风枪。
Самое что надо слышать.